Hello everyone and welcome to our lesson on Greek numbers. Today, we'll journey from 1 to 20. Join us as we navigate everyday discussions, like inquiring about prices, all to demonstrate how to effectively use these Greek numbers in real-life scenarios. Now, let's explore how numbers 1 to 10 are pronounced in Greek. Are you ready?
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10.
In the Greek numbering system, the numbers from 1 to 9 are foundational and form the basis from which many other numbers are derived. Next up, we'll explore how numbers 11 to 20 are pronounced in Greek.
11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20.
For numbers from 13 to 19 in Greek, each is structured around the base theka, meaning number 10. This base is then followed by the unit's place number. For instance, theka xi is 10 plus 6, which equals 16. However, it's important to remember that numbers 11 and 12 have unique forms in Greek and are the exception to this rule. Now, let's see an example to see numbers in action. We will ask in Greek how much something costs.
Πόσο κάνει?
18 ευρώ.
That wraps up our lesson today on Greek numbers. If you found value in this video, we would love your support. Please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our future language explorations. See you in the next video.